developed a nano coating technology which allows us to improve the energy efficiency of cooling systems such as air conditioning and refrigeration. We spent a few years developing the technology to a point where we started to get commercial traction, and from there we decided that actually it was now the time to look for external fundraising. I met Eileen from the Enterprise Europe network and was very interested in how they could help support us going through this process.
The first thing they really needed, as most early stage businesses, was funding. They'd gone through the grant funding, which is non-dilutive, but they come to a point where they'd taken enough risk out of the business that they then needed an injection of equity. So we worked out a programme of support over 6-9 months that would actually help develop the business and take him to where his ambition was looking to grow.
The Enterprise Europe network helped us develop for not only grant funding as well for applications into the Horizon 2020 programme, but also looked at pitch decks that we created to make sure that they were fit for funding, and then put us through to the Enterprise Investment and Opportunities Network to pitch at an event there, which is where we found our new investor. Last year we were able to raise over £1 million worth of equity funding, which helped really grow the company very quickly from then. We've got a much larger team, as we were originally 3 and we are now 15. The other areas which we've been working into, such as the IP audit, have had much more of a long-term look for things like putting procedures in place for as the company grows to make sure we get into good habits. It's really great to see how the company, especially in the last year, has grown from where we were just being able to prove the technology to actually having sort of customers knocking on our door and having the facilities and the ability to scale everything really quickly. So it's really nice to be part of this, and couldn't have done without the support from the Enterprise Europe network.